Getting your first tattoo can be a really fun and exciting experience, but a lot of people underestimate how stressful the aftercare can be. How do you take care of your first tattoo? First of all, we need to know why it is important to take good care of it. A tattoo is an open wound on the surface of your skin. If you don't treat it well, it can cause infections and scarring. Your tattoo will also fade as time goes by, but if you take good care of it, it will last longer. We begin aftercare by asking your artist what's best for your specific tattoo. Every tattoo artist will have a different opinion on aftercare, but listening to the tips will help a lot. That's why I will give you a general guideline for tattoo aftercare. After you got your tattoo, the artist will apply a lotion. Then they will cover your tattoo with a plastic wrap or protective film that sticks to your arm. This is important because a fresh tattoo is very vulnerable for infections and scarring. If you have a plastic wrap, it's best to keep it on for at least 2 hours. If you have protective film such as second skin or Saniderm, it's best to keep it on for 48 hours. The next step is to take off your plastic wrap or film and wash your tattoo. You should use pH-neutral antibacterial soap because it's unperfumed and it doesn't irritate the skin. Use a paper towel to dry it off. Then, grab your tattoo ointment and apply it to your skin. Popular ointments are Bepanthen, Hustle Butter, Easy Tattoo, and Cicaplast. These will help healing and will prevent scarring. You should wash and apply ointment at least 2 times a day. You will have to repeat this process for about 3 weeks. During this process, your tattoo will become crusty and the skin will shed. Don't panic and just trust the process. Here's some extra tips. Try not to peel off, scratch, rub, or touch the skin. Do not bathe or swim. Avoid direct sunlight. And once the tattoo has healed, use sunscreen. And try not to wear tight clothing. Now you know how to take care of your tattoo. Are you ready for your second one? Need more information on aftercare? Follow us here.